Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get Archero mod for your device. So this is super cool. You can actually get unlimited gems and coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get straight into the video. So first things first, go to Hex Mods, I believe. And this is a website with all sorts of modded apps. Find the Archero, press on it. And now we just press download button and it will start downloading it. So before it downloads, you may see something about verification where you have to download 2 apps, follow instructions from App Store completely free. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's just wait for it to download, as you can see. So basically, it's going to bring us to this list of apps. We got to get 2 of them. Doesn't matter which one, but just press on it. Press continue. This Merge Garden one, you got to reach level 9. It's pretty easy. But you just have to do 2 of them, guys. Follow instructions, and then the Archero mod will be on your device, so be sure to try it out. It's super cool. And yeah, you get all these settings here, which is super wild. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get an Archero mod, because this is fully working, and it's not for anyone, it's for everyone who finds this. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe if you want to get an Archero mod. Just make sure you do the verification. Both apps, 2 of them will be enough. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get an Archero mod for your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, tell your friends about it. It's super cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It's fully working, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. Just make sure you do 2 apps, verification, and they may be different depending on where you live. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and peace out, bro.